In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WordPress multi-site network on your Hostinger VPS and guide you through every step of the process. To begin, we'll log into your Hostinger VPS via SSH. If you're not familiar with SSH, it stands for Secure Shell, and it allows you to remotely access your servers securely. Open up your terminal or SSH client on your computer, enter your VPS IP address along with your login credentials, and you'll be connected in no time. Once logged in, the next step is to install WordPress if you haven't already done so. You can easily accomplish this by downloading WordPress from its official site and uploading it to your VPS. Follow this up by navigating to the root directory of your WordPress installation and run the PHP script to set things up. Typically, this is done by visiting your domain in a web browser and following the instructions provided by WordPress. Now, to enable the multi-site feature, you'll need to modify the wp-config.php file. Think of this file as the orchestrator of your WordPress settings. Open it using a text editor on your VPS and search for the line that reads, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Just before this line, add the following. Define wp allow multisite true. Save and close the file after making this change. This step tells WordPress that you're ready to enable a network of sites, which can really expand your website's capabilities. Now let's move on to configuring the wp-config.php and .htaccess files. After logging back into your WordPress dashboards, you should see a new option under Tools called Network Setup. Click on this and choose whether you'd like to create a network with subdomains or subdirectories. Each choice has its own suitability based on your domain structure needs. Follow the instructions given on the page, and WordPress will provide you with specific code snippets to add to your wp-config.php and .htaccess files. These custom codes are crucial since they allow your multi-site network to function. Make sure you copy them accurately. After you've set up those files, it's time to configure your multi-site structure by choosing between subdomains or subdirectories. Subdomains look like subsite.example.com, while subdirectories appear as example.com/subsite. Your choice will depend on how you want your site structured and can impact how they are perceived by search engines. Both methods have pros and cons, so it's worth considering your future plans. Finally, you'll access the WordPress Network admin panel to begin managing your multi-site network. You'll notice a new My Sites menu option where you can manage the network settings and add new sites. This admin panel is where you'll spend most of your time managing the network, including installing themes and plugins that are available across all sites in your network. And there we have it. You've successfully set up a WordPress multi-site on your Hostinger VPS. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, feel free to comment down below.